I'm at Chattahoochee High School and Taylor Road Middle School, and it's Saturday, December 12th. And this is just a gorgeous entrance. And something that would be really, really cool to do at Chamblee High School. Saturday, December 11th. Actually, I think it's the 12th. And we're at Chattahoochee High School. And here's the stadium seating. There's their pavilion with all their sponsors. And they've done some pretty cool stuff with this high school. They've created a wildlife habitat in the back there, which I'm going to go videotape. I'm at Chattahoochee High School on Saturday, December 12th, and this is their wildlife habitat they have behind the stadium. I guess this is maybe a retention pond, and it's like an observation deck right here. They have, maybe that's a swallow or a purple martin house right there, and then right there, those are bat houses. So they have about looks like four bat houses. And they have a walking path, which we'll take a little walk. So this is probably for overflow and flooding. But this actually has a name, the Chattahoochee High School Arch Project, and was started in 2002. It looks like the students secured a $240,000 federal grant in order to construct a permanent solution. So this was designed as a retention pond and overflow, flooding, and it became a pond where you've got vegetative zones, native wetland grasses, indigenous tree species, 200-foot walkway. The long-term plan for the area involves building an education center that will include constructed wetlands, environmental education stations, and the existing stormwater treatment pond. This talks about invasive species and kudzu, which is native to Japan. Settlers brought it over and then it grew rampantly, and I guess they're trying to eradicate that. And then rabbits are also invasive and destroy the natural vegetation, and they caused a massive species loss in the Australian ecosystems, so I guess they were brought over to the U.S. too. Bat houses. Bats are fantastic for combating insects, especially mosquitoes. And they're mounted at least 15 feet in the air at a maximum of 25 feet, and the temperature has to be between 80 and 100 degrees. Okay, the food chain in the arch. Simplified food web. In this pond, the tadpole population is huge and mutated because of the large amount of fertilizer containing phosphates and nitrates runoff. Mutations occur when the frogs eventually reproduce. Due to this phenomenon, mutated tadpoles exist in the pond and harm the entire circle of life in the ecosystem's food chain. Liverworts, lichen, and other plants naturally improve the water quality because they contribute to the oxygen content. Lichen has a mutualistic relationship with fungi, cyanobacteria. A mutualistic relationship is when the species involved all benefit from each other biologically. Fish, like the carp placed in this pond, are triploid, which means they have 3 sets of chromosomes. Therefore, they are sterile and capable of reproducing. Well, I'm here again at the Chattahoochee High School. I'd call it habitat, nature preserve, wetlands, water overflow. We got the retention pond. I don't have to go all the way back there, but you get the idea. And there's the bat houses right there. There's another bat house. And like I said, I think that's a purple martin house. Or a swift, but I think it's purple martin. And they also are insect collectors.